Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this PDF file for the first thing they're doing it, or anybody. If you have Corel Draw and you've got it drawn in Corel Draw, always send me the Corel Draw file. But you want to know if Corel has a feature that put a gap, and I'm sure there is, and I actually got it to work a while ago, but I can't get it to work. So this is kind of a manual way, but it works pretty good, unless you had to do hundreds of them. But if they're all the same, you could just make copies. So you want to just gap it a third or a fourth of the way around, and he wants it like this. So I recreated the kidney shaped form. I measured his gap, it's 0.07, so I'm going to draw a rectangle that is 0.07. And then I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and make a duplicate of it, move it over there, and then I'm going to select both of them. I'm going to blend it one time. Then I'm going to, so I've got three now, so I'm going to blend along new path. And then I'm going to go blend along full path and rotate all objects so they're all perpendicular. There's a lot of ways to do this, and I was thinking I had it figured out a while ago. First of all, we need to probably go and break the blend apart. And I tried it every which way. You know, I tried grouping these. But right now, until I figure out another way, this would be a way to do it. If you will take and just select it all and either go back minus front, which gives you this little gap, and that's not what he's wanting, but this will work if you will select everything and then right click on your, select everything with the shape tool, right click and get the break apart. It's going to break all the nodes apart. And then you can just take your virtual segment delete key and delete that, and it'll leave that gap because the other ones are connected. Now, the only bad side of this is that we've got probably a bunch of little nodes broken up, but we could try some other thing. So this is one way to do it. I'm hoping to find a better way. And as you can see, no, it's one section. It just has a lot of nodes in it. So that's one way to do it. So we've got a gap, and what he's cutting is paper, and he wants it not to fall out or blow out of the machine. So you got a 0.07 gap. Anyway, I'm going to try to figure this out and find a quicker way, but right now that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope that helped.